Hi guys, it's me, Leigh again with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. Hey, how are you? So I have a another haul. Gosh, I need to go on a spending shutdown. I mean, this is crazy. The stuff that I'm buying. At least I'm crafting. Anyway, let me show you a ring my mom gave me for Christmas. Isn't it pretty? It's three dancing girls and a cameo. Let me see. Can you get it? It's really nice. But yeah, I love it. Anyway, so let me show you my haul. This is, now I want to say it again. This is from Crafter's Companion from their USA store in California. She is Crafter's Companion on Facebook, and she went live and she had a clearance. She wanted the store emptied before her new stuff came in. And it was cheaper than Tuesday mornings. It was cheaper than 50% off. It was buy one for $3, get one free. It's totally gone now, but there's still stuff out there you could look for and find, or maybe say, hey, she does this once a year. Maybe I could start following her and get some good deals. If it's not 50% off, I don't want it. I can wait. So all this was $20. I already had a couple of pieces, like one or two pieces of these, but I could not afford the whole set. This is not, excuse the noise, this is not the whole set because she only sold it in packages of what she had left in stock. This is called the Vintage Tea Party, and I had this one, and that's all. And I know for a fact I spent $15 each on these. So I'll have to dig them up, make sure I'm right on which ones I have. And if I have doubles, I think I'm going to give a giveaway. I'm about at 2,500. I need like 60 people to be at 2,500 subbies. And I think when I get to 2,500, I'm going to do a giveaway. But anyway, let's talk about what I bought. This is Vintage Tea Party. Now, this is still for sale in secondary markets like Amazon that people have in stock. I bought directly from Crafter's Companion. So, this is a doily die, and that's what that looks like. All of these for $20. And if you know Crafter's Companion, you know this was a good buy. I love this jar set, 6 pieces. So there that is. You can take that out and use it or not. See how they have it there? And the little tags. This right here, I just made a video, I think last week, where I made cards, and I'm going to set this in the middle of a card and make cards out of this. And there, look how intricate it is. I'm going to have to test it and make sure my theory is correct. But isn't that beautiful? I think it is. That is so pretty. I know she said she sold this by itself for over $30. I think she said 35. So I think I got a good deal. Look at the birthday cake um, dome set. This is so cute. Look at that. Isn't that going to be fun to play with? Oh, I can't wait. Teapot. Iced tea, hot tea. And the little cookies, crumpets, spoon. This says, "Tea-rific. There is always time for tea. You're just my cup of tea." These are all dies. And one more die is the ice cream. I think this is 4 pieces. Yeah, it is. Isn't that going to be so much fun? And then I got 2 of the embossing folders to go with it. So, yeah. So that is one great deal that I couldn't pass up on that. And then I got a couple more. But if you're not following Sarah on Crafter's Companion, I think everyone knows who she is. Ooh, that's noisy. Okay. The paper foil Um, cut it so you can see. Wasn't prepared for this, was I? It's silver foiled. It's very heavy cardstock too. Ooh, look, there's some I could use for Valentine's. Maybe make a couple more Valentines. Ooh, I wonder, oh, I bet, you know what? To go ahead and take your markers and color in these butterflies and then cut them out individually. That's nice. Oh, this tape. I don't want it to ruin my paper. Oh, those are even bigger butterflies. I love the script. Did we already see all this? Yeah, I think we've seen it. So that was nice. 24 pieces. Yeah. Oh no, wait a minute. There's a white color in here. Wow. It's like white embossed almost. It's really, really pretty. Oh, look at the script. Can y'all see that? Wow, that's really neat. Ooh, I love that. Oh, what can I make with these? Can you imagine the beautiful cards to make with these? Oh, that was nice. That was a good buy. I want to say the whole paper pad was like $6. And I got free shipping because I spent over 50. So there's that. And then, oh, I got a free gift and all. I got a free gift of this right here. Ooh, that's fun. That's got glitter on it. And then you color it in with your markers. I better not let my daughter see it, Sarah, because she loves doing that kind of stuff. I'll probably have to gift it to her just because I said it out loud. And then these are black tags. Free gift. And this is a free gift. I think it's a color chart. Either it's got color in there or I put my own color chart. So that's nice. I'll put it on a ring. Yeah, you can put a hole through it, put it on a ring. So those are free gifts. Got a little bit more to show you. This was buy one, get one free. So these are the two dies to make the flowers. You make those two flowers. So that'll be fun, the dies. So that'll be fun. And I think this was buy 3 for $6, so they were like $2 each. So there's that die corner, and that die corner. And then they had embossing folders. And I don't know if you can see. Yeah, see? And that's what it's going to look like if we colored it in. So that's the embossing folder. 3D embossing, so it's going to be really heavy. And here's the butterfly embossing one. So that's what that would look like. I think I got two the same because I was thinking about that giveaway. So that'll be nice. This one is cherry blossom. It'll look like that. This one is autumn leaves. Ooh, look at the tree. Which way does the tree go? The tree goes this way. Oh, that'll be really pretty. Sometimes all you need to emboss on a piece of paper and then just use paste. This kind of paste, I don't know what they call it, but I have like several different colors. Glossy paste, modeling paste. Just rub that on there and give it 3-dimension. This one is blowing in the wind. Oh yeah, remember those little white flowers you would get in the blow out in the wind? I wonder what they're called. There's that one. I want to say these were $3 each. So I have an extra one of the autumn leaves that I'll be gifting away, and I have an extra one of the cherry I'll be gifting away. And then this one is It's a New Day. Oh, with feathers and sun ray shine and feathers. Okay, so and then when I go through here and figure out uh, which ones I have, I'll be gifting that away. So look for that. And now for the rest of the stuff. It was a collection. It's called Rustic Wedding. So I bought what they had. The whole series usually cost 159 to 169, I think, and I got it all um, for 30. So I'll show you all the pieces. There's a lot of pieces. So this is ribbon. It says Mr. and Mrs. and to have and to hold. So that's really pretty. Here is some twine. It came unglued, but that's okay. Twine. Here is, oh, little, I love the spools. Here's lace, trim, cotton, bridal lace. Here is heart buttons. I had a niece that got married outside under an oak tree, and I'm going to definitely be using this to make her an album. And here is metal charms for wedding stuff. So all this that I'm showing you is a collection, just like this was the collection. So here is the love die. I need to use that right now to finish up a Valentine card. So let me put that right there so I don't want to forget. Here is Mr. and Mrs. die. Here is a stamp that says love, just married, happy anniversary, on our wedding day. You could really use these for anniversary cards and just cards to say I love you to a family member. Oh, here's an edgeable die. Very beautiful. That'll be really nice. It's two dies where it cuts this out and a back plate. I'm wondering if it's edgeable, if I could put it on the edge. I'll have to try that out. It says edge option. Yay. Oh, good. Look, more flowers came with this one too. And it has the leaves and the real scrolls to go with it too. So that'll be really pretty to make that flower. I wish they showed the flower so I could show you. I've seen it on TV. Here is an embossing folders. Lace embossing folders. This one matches this. So that'll be nice to use. See? Let's see. We got a couple more pieces and then paper that goes with it. These are rub-on transfers. So that's nice. 4 sheets. A really nice size elegant rose embossing folder, 5x7. I love that size. This is little bird die. That's nice. And here is hope die. And then we have 3 paper pads that came with it. We had the they call it Hennessy, but in the United States we call it cork, kind of like, what is that stuff called? Oh, and it's got sticky on the back, so sorry, sticky. Oh, I can't think of the name of it because I saw her name, but she's from the UK originally. That's where she lives. Okay, so, and then here is a small paper pad, 6x6 of rustic wedding. So let's see, three sheets. Excuse me, each. I need to take a sip of drink. Excuse me. I've been coughing for a week. Yes, this would be really good for an outdoor wedding theme, and then add more greens or whatever the color of the wedding. Like, yeah, well, Victoria's was a green. The girls wore green, so I'll add some green to it. Not bright green, but yeah, I'll do that. This is beautiful paper. I like the script. Oh, look at that. So then one more paper. And then this one. This is printed craft paper. So, oh, it's very heavy. Very heavy. Wow. So I have a lot of projects in mind, and I was so happy to get this because I know her product and I know I got a steal. So I'm very happy about everything that I got. So I hope you like my haul, and thank you for joining me for just a few minutes, and hit the subscribe if you're not, and don't forget to hit that bell because you never know when I'm going to pop in and pop out. Um, all my links are down below. Join Glue Gun Chronicles, my group on Facebook. I have a Facebook blog. I have Pinterest. All that's down below. So check it out. Thank you for joining me. Caring is sharing. Have a blessed day.